Now we get to the raw materials warehouse. And here placed the elements we need. And some DC connector, AC cables, and the user manual of the microinverter. Label. We can make customization according to the customers and can display the brand of your company. Yes. And before they placed here, these materials will be tested strictly. And all this we can do is to make sure the quality of the raw materials. Okay. This is a workshop. Now we enter the workshop. First, let's go to the surface mounting area. Now there are two production lines, which can make the front and the back side of the PCB. Yes. We use the SMT equipment with annual production capacity of 400,000 pieces. Look at this is a reflow soldering. The PCB board will be put into this machine, and it can strengthen the elements on the board. Okay, after these two steps, there are tests in the end, including the manual test and machine test. Okay, this is surface mounting area. Now, let's get to the plug-in areas. All plugins of the PCB are done by worker. Yeah. And the workers sit the two row and make the plugins of the PCB. And then they will be put into this wave soldering machine. And it also can strengthen the elements on the PCB. Yes. There is a manual test in the end. Okay. After the mounting system, surface mounting and plug-in, then the PCB is basically completed, and then we get to the assemble and inspector lines. Yeah, this step needs workers to examine and check the PCB. Yeah. If confirmed is okay, everything is okay, and they assemble the shell on it. And now let's take the aging test, the first aging test. Yes. It takes 30 minutes to complete the first aging test. And now, if it is okay and no faults, and then pour the glue into the body. And after a period of standing, almost 1 day, to wait the glue becomes solid. And then they will be taking the secondary aging test, almost 30 minutes again. Yes, twice aging test is to make sure the inverter can work normally. Okay, if everything is okay, then the workers package them into the warehouse. Okay, this is the inspector area, and the workers will conduct a final inspection of the products and the PCB, and it makes sure the PCB is complete and correct, and then they will package them. Okay, everything is okay, and the end products will be put here. Yes, this is the package. This is a big box, and 5 pieces of microinverter connect in one box. Okay, now let's open one package. Now, a piece of user manual and a inverter and a battery connector and some screws. Okay, close the package. Close the box. Okay, the end products will be sent here. Wait to be delivered. Okay, now these are all the workshop. Okay, now on my left side, these are office, and our senior manager and accountant are working here. Okay, it's a rainy day, so many umbrellas on the shelf. Okay. Almost 7 offices. Yes, and this is a factory lab. This is our lab workshop, and any damaged inverters or PCB will be sent here, and our technicians will test them and find the reasons. When they found some reasons, and they will inform the person in charge and make feedback to them and make adjustment and improvement.